2012 TC. The Scion TC is powered by a spirited engine with a completely responsive handling system and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, premium sound system, power windows, CD player, passenger airbag, bucket seats, power door locks, MP3 player, rear head airbag, auxiliary audio input, panoramic roof. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.